Hi, myself Anjana, UR15CS041. Today I'm going to do my 10th experiment which is based on file handling. For that I have get a question as I have to create three notepads named first, second and final, and first will have contain some text and second will also contain some text. I just have to read that both text and I have to write it in the third notepad final. So that first I will show you my first I'm going to my D drive. Inside that I have already created three notepads, final, first and second. First is having a content like this. A stream is a communication channel that has outside something. This is the content in the first notepad. And the second notepad is also containing an input output stream represents an input output source, like some texts like that. So I have to merge both texts and I have to get a new text in the final. Now my final is empty. I will show you after running my program what happens. And here is my program. And in this program, as we know, for file handling, the header is java.io.asterisk. And after that, I have created a class called file. Inside that, I have my main function. In main function, I have two strings s equal to some text that is of uh, first notepad and S1 which have the things of second notepad. And here I have put in the try catch. If any exception occurs, it will be handling by itself. So that inside that try, I am having file output stream and file input stream. First two file output stream and input stream is mainly to read and write data of the first notepad. And first it will be writing the first notepad and then it will be reading from the first notepad. And second one, outstream and input stream, is for this one, second notepad that we are given as fout1 and fin2, and this will be reading and writing the contents of the second notepad. And the third notepad we are only giving output stream. We don't have anything to read from the third one, so that we are only giving the output stream to write something to that notepad. So here the final will be uh, output stream for the final is given. And these two lines, it's converting the string into bytes. Actually, in file handling, the contents will be reading using the byte variable, so that it is converting the variable into byte. First one, it's converting the first notepad, and s1 dot get bytes is converting the second notepad content. After that, we have to uh, write both the contents. We have to write both the contents what we are given earlier. So we have to write the both contents in the first and second. And after that, here we are given a while loop, just because if the content is exceeding, if it is reading exceeding after our limit is going, means we have to stop it. So we are giving as -1. When it become -1, it will stop. And here when the fin2 is going to residing -1, then it will be stopping. And here we are writing fout2. That is the content what we have to give in the final. That's the last one. Here we will be writing both B and E, the contents of fout and fout1. So it will be writing that fout, which is the object of final. After that, we have to close all these functions. It's compulsory that we have to close all these functions, so that we are closing fout.close, fout1.close, fin1.close, fin2.close, and fout2.close. Everything that what we have given the objects that we are closed here. And the exception is handled here using normal exception, and it will be whenever some exception is happening, it will be carried out by this try and catch. Now we will run the program and see. You can see here already it's merged here, and now we will check our text final. As you can see, previously it was an empty file. Now you can see it is having total sentences of both things. This is the sentence of second one. We have merged the both sentences in single notepad. So this program is running successfully. Accordingly, we have two notepads, and the content of the notepad is merged into another notepad with using this program. So this program is running successfully. So that's it for the program. Thank you.